Hey, good afternoon, Black Coffee Trader coming to you this afternoon. It is Wednesday, the 20th of March, FOMC day, and what a wild and crazy day today was. The market only goes up, as we can see. Looking at the plan that I had going into today, this is actually where we're at now, but yesterday we ended the day here in this 250 range, 280 range, somewhere in here. And I was curious to see if those levels would hold overnight, this 230 to 250 area, which it did. And so my thought process was I was going to be very, very careful taking trades during the day because I expected a sideways movement, at least until we got to FOMC. And then my thought process was if we cross above this 350, 400 area, I was looking for longs to the upside, and if we fell apart and we fell below this 230 range, then I'd be looking for shorts to the downside. And I executed that plan very, very, very well. I did not take a lot of trades during today, but I actually made pretty much all of my profits before FOMC, and I did not expect that. But I literally was just looking for, I was very specific on my entries, looking for bounces off this bottom area. And then also as we crossed VWAP, that seemed to be a good area to catch little scalp trades. And that's really what I was doing, is 11 to 21 ticks today. And the unfortunate thing is, by the time FOMC hit, I actually was green across all accounts. This account 29, I was just like 20 bucks in profit. And then I did give back on that account, unfortunately, after FOMC, and then I also lost this eval specifically because I was copy trading it with this PA in the afternoon. So that was unfortunate, but I think I'm 1 for 3 this week on past evals. This is my evals. I blew 2 of them this week, past 1, so 33%. Still have a green week. Much better week on evals, which I don't have that many. But the good news too is I'm three for 3 now on plus $600. Well, technically $600 days here, 3 days in a row on this take profit account. So we need to do that for 2 more days, and we will be in a funded take profit account, which is what I'm shooting for. So yeah, the error here in the afternoon after FOMC, this was the first trade I took. This was around the 220 area in the afternoon. We had this move back up. Powell, I'm not sure if he was speaking yet, maybe not, but this was a bit of a FOMO trade. I thought this was going to continue to move, and I had seen this entire big move happen, and I was just, watching it. And I entered long, got stopped out for $300 short, or $300 loss. So then I didn't trade again until we started kind of in this little trend area. And caught some small winners, caught some losers, had a couple big losses, and another $300 loser here. And at this point, this account was at like negative 700. And I have said earlier that 750 is kind of my cutoff. And I should have just stopped, and I thought, I'm going to see if I can't recoup a little bit back. I wasn't planning on getting it back to green, but just maybe reducing the loss a little bit. And I watched these candles unfold here. And I just felt like we're going to squeeze to the upside, and I was right. Unfortunately, the price action was such that my trailing stop would jump up, and it would stop me out for a small win. And then I did get a $100 winner here, and then I was too impatient and jumped in at this point. Too impatient, jumped in, and it stopped me out like probably by about 2 points. And then it continued to squeeze higher. So that was an error. I should have waited and allowed this to pull back and then jumped in. But anyway, it is what it is. The good news is we didn't blow that account, and I pretty much stuck to my game plan on that. Looking at TradeZella, where are we at here? This is where we're at for the day. So as we can see, $16 profit day today. But hey, green week again, and 7 of the 8 PAs were in profits. The near-death ones, again, we had a good profit day on those. And moving the chains, if you will, on the other accounts. Our targets here, 21 and 22, these are accounts that we had taken a payout here in the middle of March. And those accounts are back up to almost 1,100 and 1,200 in profit. So very, very good. above our target threshold there. I'm not paying too much attention to these near-death accounts on the daily profit. I just really want to get some kind of profit on those accounts daily. So that's what I'm trying to do there. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with the day. Pretty good day. Just unfortunate that I had a loss on this account. That was the first loss I've had since I started trading this PA. So that's not too bad. But yeah, happy with how we executed the game plan. Very careful with our entries during the day. Made most of our money before FMC and then traded these two accounts after, and ultimately ended up red on those two, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's that. We'll look at tomorrow. Got a couple news events tomorrow. Nothing too major. Some PMI at 9:45, so that could be a little volatile. But other than that, we should be able to recoup and recover and have another good day tomorrow. At least that's the goal and that's the plan. So hope you guys traded well. Again, I want to say thank you to you guys using my code. I certainly do appreciate that as we continue on this march toward more payouts. Appreciate your guys' support. Thanks for tuning in. I'll have an update for you tomorrow.